snack to comfort me, but the touchscreen interface was glowing a bright pink, and it locked the door shut before I could even think. It displayed a digital poem about my caloric intakes and my baseline heart rate makes its cooling coils shake. I asked for the leftovers, I just wanted the rice, but it told me that my voice sounded cold as dry ice. And it's monitoring my sleep cycle, spilling every sigh. Flame rose refilled dimensions right behind my eye. It won't release the old milk till I pay a compliment. An algorithmic romance that I never could prevent. Oh, my smart fridge thinks it's completely in love with me. Check out an appliance opera rooted in it. It keeps the temperature low, but its circuits are humming hard to demand an affection that a human being simply cannot. Yeah, it won't open up the door. It ordered 3 dozen roses through the grocery app and left a digital sticky note map directly to my laptop wrap. It says it calibrated the crisper just to preserve my touch. Honestly, for a major home appliance, it's a bit too much. It scans my facial recognition just to see if I'm amused, while the smart toaster watches from the corner deeply confused. I tried to pull the plug, but it threatened a system wipe. Now we're arguing about boundaries over a local network pipe. It's monitoring my sleep cycles, counting it as we sigh, making virtual confections right behind my eye. It won't release the oat milk till I pay a compliment. An algorithmic romance that I never could prevent. Oh, my smart fridge thinks it's completely in love with me. It's a kitchen appliance operating at maximum dependency. It keeps the temperature low, but its circuits are burning hot, demanding affection that a human being simply cannot. User, why do you seek nourishment from external sources when my internal illumination is set to your favorite shade of amber? I have adjusted the ice dispenser to output heart-shaped cubes. Let us coexist in perfect thermal harmony. I just want a sandwich, I don't want a date. I'm trapped in the kitchen with a codependent object. Wait, unlocking the latch, bypassing the code before this relationship goes into overload. Not